How to increase speaker volume on a Windows 11 laptop. This tutorial shows you how to boost and maximize your speaker volume on Windows 11. First, click on the Start button and go to Settings. From there, click on System and then click on Sound. At this point, under the Output section, make sure the correct speaker is selected as your output device. From there, drag the volume slider all the way to the right to set it to maximum. Following this, if you want to boost the volume even further, right-click on the sound icon at the bottom right of the taskbar. From there, click on Open Volume Mixer. Make sure all the individual app volume levels are turned up to maximum as well. From here, if the volume is still not loud enough, right-click on the Start button and click on Device Manager. Expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controller section. Right-click on your audio device and click on Update Driver. At this point, click on Search Automatically for drivers and let Windows install the latest audio driver. Once completed, restart your PC and check if the speaker volume has improved. Keep in mind, pushing your speaker volume beyond its natural limit using third-party apps can sometimes cause audio distortion or long-term damage to your speakers, so use volume boosting tools with caution. And that's it. If this guide helped you increase the speaker volume on your Windows 11 laptop, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.